today we will be doing a numerical based on waves. Okay, now let's have a look at the question. A pipe open at both ends produces a note of frequency F1. Okay, when the pipe is kept with 3/4 of its length in water, it produces a note of frequency F2. The ratio F1 upon F2 is, these are the options. Okay, now as you look at the diagram, I have considered both the cases. First, when the pipe is open at both the ends. So if you look at this pipe, it is open at both the ends. Okay, let's say the length of the pipe is L. Okay, now here I am considering the case of fundamental mode of vibration. Okay, so if it is the fundamental mode of vibration in this, then n will be equal to 1. What is n? N is your number of loops. There is this one half loop and this second half loop. So if I add half plus half, it becomes 1. So here value of n will be 1. Okay. Now I write an expression for fundamental frequency. Okay. F1 is equal to V by 2L. Okay. This is the expression for fundamental frequency in case of a pipe which is open at both the ends. Now, the second part of the question. They are saying when the pipe is kept with 3/4 of its length in water, it produces a note of frequency F2. So this is the second case. Okay, this tube, it is filled with water up to 3/4 of its length. Okay, 3/4 of its length. So this much is your 3L by 4. Okay, this much distance is 3L by 4. So remaining L by 4 will be this portion. Okay, this part will be L by 4. If you add L by 4 and 3L by 4, you will get L. Okay, now this much part is covered with water. Now basically the tube is kind of closed over here. Okay, this much part is your air column and this much part is water. Okay, so what will be the fundamental frequency in this case? Okay, the fundamental frequency will be given by, I will take it as F2 because in the question they have said when the pipe is kept with 3/4 of its length in water, it produces a note of frequency F2. So here the frequency will be F2 equal to V by 4L dash. This is the expression for fundamental frequency in case of a pipe which is closed at one end. Okay, here it is closed over this end. So the fundamental frequency is F2 equal to V upon 4L dash. Okay, now what will be this L dash? It will be equal to L by 4. Okay, we are considering only the air column. We are not concerned with this part which is water. Okay, this much part is the length of air column. So what I will do is I will write in place of L dash, I will write L by 4 because that is the length of air column. So it becomes L by 4. Now what do we get? This gets cancelled, so we get V by L. Alright, here the fundamental frequency is V by L and here the fundamental frequency is V by 2L. Okay, so now they are asking the ratio F1 upon F2. F1 upon F2. So if I take the ratio F1 by F2, what do I get? V by 2L and this it will become L by V. Okay, this will be L by V. So if I calculate, L will get cancelled, V gets cancelled, so you are left with 1 by 2. So what is the ratio of frequency? F1 by F2 is nothing but half. So the ratio is F1 upon F2 equal to half. So the correct option is D. We will be doing more numericals based on base in our next class, but if you like my videos, you can subscribe, like and share. Okay, and if you want more videos to be uploaded, you can write in the comment section and let me know. Okay, thank you.